Hello everyone. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax, we're going to fix it. When your Nissan shows the message e-pedal system failure, the first thing you might think is, did my entire one-pedal system just break? But in reality, most of the time, it's not serious. The car is simply telling you that regenerative braking and one-pedal deceleration aren't available at the moment, so you need to use the brake like normal while the system figures out what to do. The mechanics here tell me that this message can appear intermittently, and sometimes it has to do with the battery or its charge level. For example, if the battery is at 100%, the e-pedal automatically deactivates because it can't accept more energy at that moment. So the warning doesn't mean something is broken, it's just the system protecting the battery and your safety. Another common situation mentioned by mechanics is when the fault occurs after changing tires or performing maintenance on the brakes or sensors. Since the e-pedal relies on signals from the ABS and other sensors, any unusual reading can temporarily disable it. Cleaning the sensors, checking connections, or simply driving for a few minutes usually brings it back to normal. Some also note that software updates or changes in vehicle settings can affect e-pedal behavior. After certain recalls or updates, the system may remain off until you manually enable it in the menu, something many people overlook, thinking it's an actual fault. When the message persists and the e-pedal never activates, experts recommend taking the car to a shop to inspect the ABS module or brake actuators. In many cases, a simple scan reveals a disconnected sensor or a calibration that needs adjustment, and after that, the system works as it should.